Hey guys, welcome back. This is my January order. So I know I've been a bit absent, but life is crazy right now. But I promise I'm still around, still doing the oils. I will always do the oils. Alright. So, needed to replace my cough drops because I use them pretty much before Christmas, so there's that. Got a bunch of the foaming hand soap pumps because I ordered, they changed the bottle a little bit. More round rather than the flat. I ordered 3 of these. So there's that. And then I ordered something new that I'm excited to try. The Vitality Drops plus electrolytes. So this is the Lavender Lemonade. This is grapefruit bergamot, so citrus. And let's see, another of the Lavender Lemonade. So I'm looking forward to that. That's good for after yard work, workouts. Yeah. And then, let's see, these are the hard lozenges. I think that's how you say it. So these will be nice to have as well. And then another of the grapefruit bergamot Vitality Drops. Let's see. Got some oils as well. So this is Citrus Fresh, orange. I love this monthly order. It's like Christmas every month. And it's all healthy. Lavender. And another lavender. Never have too much lavender in the spring. Lemon. Let's see what else we got. Mastrante, I believe is how you say it. I believe, if I remember correctly, this one is good for skin. This was a freebie this month. Peppermint Vitality. Love that in brownies. And water, but more the brownies than the water. Let's see. And tea tree, I believe that was another freebie. And of course, since I was over the 100 PV minimum for free shipping, all this got shipped for free. So this was this month's order. Now, in my future orders, you might see a little shift because I'm going to try and be focusing on the foundational health. So the supplements, the vitamins, and more of the foundational nutrition stuff. So that is this month's order, and I will see you guys later. Bye.